If you think outdated firmware isn't a big deal, let's talk about the Illumina iSeq 100 DNA sequencer. Recent findings revealed major security flaws in the Illumina iSeq 100 DNA sequencing instruments. Outdated firmware without secure boot or right protections left these devices wide open to attacks. Imagine your critical systems disabled or infected with malware. But don't worry, Houston. Impress Computer Solutions has your back. We specialize in protecting businesses from these very threats. Here's how we do it. First, we keep your firmware up to date and monitor for vulnerabilities. We also enforce secure boot protocols to ensure only trusted firmware is executed. Network segmentation and 24/7 monitoring, we've got that covered too. Isolating critical systems and detecting suspicious activity in real time. And if the worst happens, our backup and recovery solutions will get you back online in no time. Cyber threats are evolving. Stay ahead with Impress Computer Solutions. Contact us today and protect your business from the next big threat.